What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is still very well bearish. And just in case you don't know, I think the market just crashed, and it is what it is. It has been crashing since. So, due to the fact that we had the bear flag pattern, which I never made known to us because I was more focused on the bigger picture, which was the monthly time frame, whereby you could see right here I was making it known to us that we haven't broken below this trend line, so we are most likely going to keep on rallying. And in as much we have not broken below this trend line, we were good, and you could see we finally broke below this trend line right here. So that is basically it. For now, I still think that we're most likely going to maybe rally, get a relief rally to retest this level at probably 90,000 before dumping lower into this major level. But just in case that doesn't happen, we end up getting a move like this, whereby we ended up just dumping massively towards the downside. Even though we dumped, we still got a major retest before dumping towards the downside. So I think just in case we end up getting the relief rally, which I am 100% sure we're most likely going to get that, if we end up getting that relief rally, we're most likely going to retest probably 89,000-90,000 before crashing lower. So I think that is just definitely what we need to have in mind. Though I'm supposed to be doing a face review today, but I couldn't because my laptop, the Mac I'm using, is kind of acting very funny. I'm still working on it because it kind of records on MOV instead of MP4. So the stress of moving the MOV files to re-render on iMovie or Premiere Pro is definitely not something I have that strength to do, but I will definitely be revealing my face. And yes, today, happy new month to each and every one of you guys. I will definitely be showing you guys my portfolio. If you're on my Telegram group chat, I have updated everyone on that Telegram when I opened the trade, how I got my salary, so I deposited it into that public account where I'll be sharing with each and every one of you guys. It's also on my X. Links are in the description if you want to be aware of this journey of mine, if you want to stay up to date. So without wasting much of your time, we could see it clearly right here that Bitcoin is actually bearish. The fact that we've broken below this support right here means that we are very, very bearish. Maybe we'll have to rally into this level right here, then we'll dump all the way down towards the downside. So for the major chart here, which I want to show us, is definitely this chart right here. So if I should take this away, I think this was my middle of the markets update yesterday, which I was doing. So if I should take this away, we could see it clearly right here that just in case you don't know, these dotted lines right here, they are my liquidation price. This liquidation price is my position on Bybit at 63,000. While this right here is my liquidation on Unix, the one I opened yesterday. So I'll keep on adding more margin. The next time I will probably be adding more margin is if it dumps all the way to 64,800. So from this right here, especially from the daily time frame right here, we could see that Bitcoin has been dumping ever since. It has been dumping whenever it comes in contact with this resistance, it dumps. So maybe we might see it rally next week into this level at 86,700 and dumping even further into the major support right here, or we could see it dropping all the way down to this level to we could see it dropping all the way down here today, which I don't think is most likely going to happen. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting from Bitcoin. Yeah, and I'm sure that by the time it gets to this level, maybe I will have to add more margin to my Bybit trade when it gets to this level, so that the liquidation price will have to drop a little bit lower. But yeah, that is just it for that, and I will definitely be ending of this video. I'll be showing you guys the page. So from this chart right here, we could see that from the 4 hours time frame, Bitcoin is trying its possible best to, it has broken below a major support right here at $79,348, and we're most likely trying to break above this resistance. If we can't break above this resistance, we will be dropping all the way into 73,000 $230. I think this is just basically it. And if we're able to break above this resistance today, we need to find support around here at 79,560. Then maybe we'll have to rally into this resistance right here, because this was where the lower low was. So maybe there's still some level of resistance here, whereby we'll have to retest to know if we're going to be breaking above that level or not. So yep, there is just basically it for Bitcoin. In terms of gold is still where it is. From tomorrow, we'll definitely know how the market reacts to the crash over the weekend. For the S&P 500, it's at a very funny state. You could see the moment it retests this resistance right here, we are most likely going to be dumping. But if just in case we get a breakout, fine. But the moment we start getting massive lower lows, massive crash from the S&P 500, then we can say that the risk on assets such as Bitcoin and altcoins, they are most likely going to be dumping for a very, very long time. So you should definitely have this at the back of your mind. If you do enjoy this video, you know what to do. Subscribe for more daily updates, especially given the fact that right now I'll be keeping us updated with my new opened account. So I will be showing you guys that right now. So guys, this is the account on Bitfinex. I would have showed you the chart, but I don't want the aspect ratio of this video to change from landscape to portrait. So this is the account. I will try as much as I can to open this Bitfinex account on my laptop, so I'll be sharing that with each and every one of you guys. So the account is currently sitting at $180. I was paid my salary yesterday, though I think I deposited like 60-70% of my salary into this. And as this show you that this is what we make as a third world country. I'll be making a separate video for this, so you guys will stay up to date to that. So I'll make a separate video on that today. So I just want to show you guys this is currently it right here. I deposited a total sum of where is that? Yep, I deposited a total sum of $172 right here, and that was long time ago. So I deposited this amount right here, and after I did currently right now we could say that this is currently this is where it's at. I don't think this is even the this is definitely what I screenshotted. That was what I posted long time ago. So I deposited the money let me say 12 hours ago, as you can see right here, $172.44 12 hours ago. And after I did this right here is what we are currently sitting at. I used you could see it's a Bitcoin position right here, and I used 3x leverage. Will this leverage be increasing? Yes, it will increase later in the future after I feel we have bottomed out. So I use 3x leverage to open a long position on Bitcoin. I'm currently at 3.79 profits, which is fine. I intend the market to go down, so I'll keep on buying more. So yep, that's basically it right here. My liquidation price is at 51,901, which if you can see on the chart right here, that that is currently where, sorry about that, that is currently where the liquidation price my liquidation price is currently at 51,900. The green is Bitfinex and the yellow is Bybit. My liquidation price on Bybit is at 63,000. And so yeah, just wanted to let you guys know I'll make a separate video or a separate series for how my trade is going on. If you want to follow, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.